bottom top. And from left to right in his perspective, which is right to left in your perspective. And there is the
sleep is very...
You too, thank you. This evening, join Bob Harris for highlights of country music's most prestigious night, the CMA Awards.
I'll be bringing you a roundup of country music's most important and glamorous night.
This is Nashville, Tennessee.
We'll be telling you who won what, bringing you interviews from the winners and sharing some of the best.
57th Annual CMA Awards.
Is out now from Alan Lane at £30. That's all for this week. Next week, a new book on Mussorgsky and his circle, a new production of Leonard Bernstein's music theatre.